Hello my beautiful fashion lovers, welcome back again to my channel. So today we'll be making this beautiful top on my thumbnail. Okay, I'll be starting by using this measurement. Okay, for the wideness, which is the width, you are using 35. You are using 35 inches for the length, that's for the wideness. You are using 35. While for the full length, that's the longness of the top, we are going to use 23. Okay, 23. I can make it 24 for sewing and for folding. Okay, so that is what I cut out here. Then I go ahead for the strap I'll be using for the underside. For the downside, the strap I will be using to tie it up, I cut 23 inches. Okay, 23, 22 inches. You can go by cutting 25 inches depending how long you want the belt to be. Okay, this is for the belt, and the wideness is 3 inches. That's the width will be 3 inches. 3 inches by 22. That is what I use here. That is for the belt. That is for the belt. Now for the neck, I'm using 15 inches plus sewing plus everything, and 2.5 for the wideness. That is for the round neck. Okay, for the round neck, that is what I'm using here, right? So now I'll go ahead to make a stitch to cover up this rope, the belt. I will make a stitch to cover the belt. Now after that, I will go ahead to fold the four edges, the four corner of this material. I will fold it with 0.5 inch for the four corner. The both sides I'm going to fold it in. Okay, that is what I'll go ahead now and do. Then I'll bring it back. So I've done that here. I've gone ahead to fold the four corners. Okay, I've folded the four corners with 0.5 inches. Then this one too, I close it up. That is for the belt. I close it up. All right, so once you're done with that, you get that your round neck measurement that you measured. That's the round neck, the round of your neck. This is what I have here, and this is my own, and I use I think 13 inches, yes, after, okay, 15 inches, yes, after sewing and everything. Okay, so that is basically the measurement I have here. Now we'll move ahead to do the necessary measurements here. So go ahead to do the necessary measurements. You hold this up to the end this way and get the middle point. Once you get the middle point, you're going to give it a notch. You give it a notch here. Okay, yes, you're going to give it a notch here, and you mark out a line on that notch. Okay, this line will guide you while measuring. Then from that notch, you're going to measure from the right side 5 inches. Then from the left side, for the left side of from that notch, you're going to measure 5 inches. So okay, so the both will be 5 inches. Okay, so from that 5 inches, you're going to measure 0.5. okay, this 0.5 will be opening. You will not sew this 0.5, you open it, it will be open. Okay, so for the other side too, you measure 0.5. okay, that is basically what I did here. I've measured the 0.5 from that 5 inches. Okay, you're going to measure 0.5 from the left, from the side, from the left and from the right. Then from that end, you're going to sew this way and stop there. From the left side, you're going to sew there and stop there. Okay, then you give a gap from that 0.5. That 0.5, you're not going to stitch anything there, it's going to be open. Then you close up this middle side. Okay, you close up that 0.5 for both left and for the both right. You're going to close it up with stitches. Okay, so but that 0.5, you leave it open. That 0.5 will be open. Okay, so I've gone ahead to make stitch just the way I directed, and I've done it here. So this is it after closing it up, and this is the 0.5 that I said initially that you're going to leave open. So this is it here, I left it open. This is it here too, I left it open. So now get that particular get the top, get it this way. The extreme edge of that 35 length, the wideness, the extreme edge, which is this sharp point, you're going to fix it into that 0.5 you left open. So you're going to do that for the left side, you do that too for the right side, just the way I'm doing here, and you're going to stitch on it to close it up. Okay, I'm going to carefully stitch on it to close it up. I will do that and I'll bring it back for us to see. So this is here, I've gone ahead to stitch it up, and this is what we have. This is what we have here after stitching it. After the stitching, this is what we have. So this is it basically. Now for the downside, we're going to fix in our belts. The belt we sewed and cover up initially, which is 23 inches, which you can go by 25 or 26 depending on how long you want it to be. Then you place it this way and make a stitch. If you want to use this method, you're good to go. So if you don't want that method, you're going to use this particular method I'm going to use. You place the fabric, you place the top on the belt this way, and you make a straight stitch on it. So you can use both, the first one, the second one. You can just use the one that works for you. You go ahead to use it. So you do this for this left side, and you're going to do it too for the right side, okay, to fix the belt for the top. Okay, so I'll go ahead now to my machine to make a stitch on it, and I'll bring it back for us to see. So I've done that already. I've stitched it up. This is it. I've stitched it up. Our top is gradually coming into a beautiful top. All right, so this is it. I've gone ahead to stitch it up, and this is the belt here. Yeah, this is it. So this is what we have. This is what we have, and this is our top coming into place. Yeah, so after that, you're going to get your pin or get your stopper or get whatever you can use to hook down. So this is the pin I'm using. This is the hook that I'm using for the back side. You can use other hooks. This is what I have presently while making this video. So I'll go ahead to take one of it and make a stitch and sew it up this way to secure the neck side. And our top is ready. This is our top is ready. Our top is ready. Okay, you can go ahead to slay it and rock it any way you like. Okay, so my beautiful lovers, my beautiful viewers, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment and hit the like. Okay, and again, don't forget to share this video. Please share it for your loved ones to benefit also. Okay, don't watch this alone. Right, see you in my next video. Bye, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.